So I just put this new radio in my 2017 Dodge Charger Pursuit, and I had the battery off while I installed the radio, and I installed the new whatever you call that thing. And now I just turned the battery back on and press the the engine's not running, but you know, accessories on, and now it's making this weird noise, but it looks like it's doing something, installing a bunch of files. And somebody told me, found online, it looked like this could take, I don't know, 20 minutes or something. So I don't know where it's installing them from, but maybe it's installing them from the radio into the car, or from the car into the radio. I have no idea. So anyway, we'll just sit here and see what this thing does. Yeah, it's just... We'll see.